Hey guys, and welcome to my vehicle with me. I am out running errands, and this is a topic that is kind of personal to me because for the last 24 hours I have been hungry. My stomach is rumbling. I want to eat everything I can get my hands on. It's just taking everything in my being not to just drive through every drive-through and get all the things. So I'm going to share with you today 5 questions that I ask myself when I'm having a hungry day that sometimes helps me realize you're not really hungry, there's something else going on. So question number 1 that I recommend you ask yourself before you start eating is, am I supposed to be hungry? What I mean by that is, are you on a diet? Okay, if you're on a diet and you're trying to lose weight, you're supposed to be hungry. There's no way to lose weight without a little bit of hunger. If you're in a deficit, if your calories are lower than what you're using every day, your body is going to send hunger signals. It's going to shout, hey, I don't have enough to do what I want to do. So if you're in a diet and you're a little bit hungry, that's normal. That's where you're supposed to eat. So don't eat. Now, obviously, that comes with exclamation marks, right? I mean, don't give yourself an eating disorder. But, if you are eating a sensible diet with a sensible calorie deficit and you're a little bit hungry, that's okay. You're going to make it. Stay strong. Okay, question number 2 is kind of along the same lines. When was the last time you ate? Maybe you're supposed to be hungry because you haven't eaten. So if it's been 4 or more hours since you've eaten, you're probably legitimately hungry, and yeah, you need to grab a snack. Or maybe it's mealtime. But if you just ate 2 hours ago, then most likely you're not hungry. There's something else going on, and you don't need to go open the pantry and start taste testing everything. The third question you need to ask yourself when you're tempted to eat everything is, am I tired? Now, our bodies need sleep for us to have energy. Duh, we all know that. When you're tired, you have no go. Our body also needs food to have energy. So sometimes when we're tired, when we're exhausted, if our bodies aren't getting sleep, then they'll go the alternate route and our bodies will demand food because both deliver energy. So sometimes when you're exhausted and you haven't slept well, those are the days that you are starving. Those are the days that you just eat and eat and eat and eat. And it's not in your head. You're not crazy. Your body is searching for a fuel. And if it's not going to get fuel from sleep, it's going to get fuel from food. Now, if you're tired, that doesn't mean that, you need to just go eat. That means that you need to assess your situation and figure out, is there a way I can help the fact that I'm tired? Can I lay my head down for 10 or 15 minutes? Can I go to bed earlier tonight? Can I fight through this and then sleep in a little bit tomorrow? Sometimes that's not possible, but sometimes recognizing that this is not hunger, this is exhaustion, can help us get some better habits in place. The 4th question that you need to ask yourself before you start eating is, am I procrastinating on a project that needs to get done that I don't want to do? Now, if you think hard, we all pretty much do this. Sometimes if there's something that we don't want to do, I don't want to get up and vacuum the house. I don't want to make this client phone call that's going to take forever and be annoying. A lot of times we will decide that we're hungry and we need to snack or we need to eat a meal before we tackle that project. So maybe you're not really hungry, you're just looking for an excuse not to do the thing you need to do. Sometimes for me, when I need to sit down and get to work on some paperwork, I will instead tell myself, well, I think I'm a little hungry. I'm going to eat a little snack of oatmeal, and then I'll do this project. When in reality, I'm not hungry. I'm just looking for something to do instead of what I don't want to do. So question number 4 is, are you procrastinating and using hunger as an excuse? All right. So you went through 4 questions trying to determine, am I really hungry or am I just using food as an excuse for something else? The 5th question is, if I'm really hungry and there were 2 pounds of raw broccoli right here in front of me, magically washed, magically cut, would I eat that 2 pounds of raw broccoli? If the answer is yes, heck yes, I would eat 2 pounds of raw broccoli right now. That's how hungry I am. Then you know what? You're probably hungry and you should probably eat something. If your answer is like, I'm not eating 2 pounds of raw broccoli, but I'd eat 2 pounds of pizza, then you're not hungry. You're just wanting to eat for eating's sake. So that's my broccoli test. So the 5 questions that you're going to ask yourself before you start eating is, am I supposed to be hungry? How long has it been since I ate? Am I procrastinating and that's why I'm not doing this? Or is that why I'm eating? Am I tired? And then ask yourself the broccoli test. Once you've thought through all those answers, you'll know whether it really is time to fix a snack and eat a meal, or if you're just first world eating because you can. So I hope that helps you guys through this holiday season when there's lots of snacky all around. I'm gonna head back to work now, and I've been through all those questions with you guys, and yeah, I'm legitimately hungry and I would eat 2 pounds of broccoli. So I'm gonna go find me something to eat. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay strong, you guys. Bye.